Here's how to record on your Tapo security camera all the time, also known as Tapo security camera continuous recording. So first of all, we need to find a camera or a Tapo camera that has an SD card in it. So I have a Tapo camera at the front that has an SD card in it, so we'll click on that one. I'm going to wait for the camera feed to load, and now we're going to say, hey, let's set up continuous recording. So we're going to go to the settings icon at the top right, and now we're going to go on storage and recording. So we want to enable local recording, obviously, and the local storage is there. We want to set up a type of recording and set up loop recording. So first of all, we're going to say recording schedule. I'm going to go on there, and this is the recording schedule. Now, this will either be black, blue, or orange, or patches. Basically, this is time slots for certain days at the top and certain times down the left-hand side. Now, at the moment, we say, hey, I want to record all the time if something is detected, but we want to change that to continuous recording. So we basically click on the time frame. So for the Monday at between 7 and 8, I want to do continuous recording. So we'll click on that. Maybe we won't. We'll click on the edit first. Let's click on the edit, and then we were going to change it. So click on the dot. Between 9 and 10 on a Monday, I want to do continuous recording. And you can click on it again to change it either to nothing or detection and continuous. So I can see here you've got continuous selected and detection selected. So you can select that, but we want continuous. So if you want to do all the time, we can clear all and then select all. Continuous recording. And now that is basically going to say, I'm going to record all the time, and that's what I want all the time. And that's how you set up continuous recording. Now there's a few more things we need to do. We need to save this and then go back over here. So go back to the other screen. And now we want to set up loop recording. So basically loop recording is, it's out with the old, in with the new. So we set up loop recording and say, if it gets full, delete the old stuff and record over it with the new stuff. So make sure loop recording is selected there. And that is pretty much it. Out with the old, in with the new. So go back over there and check our work. Make sure recording schedule is selected. Yep. Continuous recording, record sound, and that's it. And that is how you set up continuous with loop recording. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.